Using K518 Pro, program remote key for 2018 Chevrolet Cavalier. This is the original key. This is the new key. We insert the new key into ignition slot. Turn on the ignition. OK. Insert the key and turn on ignition. We will use K518 Pro to add new key. Select IMO and remote. Select Chevrolet. Select China. Select Cavalier. Select program key. Select 2017 to 2019. First, read key count. Confirm. The current count of key is 1. Confirm. Then we add key. Insert the key to be programmed, and use the new key to turn on the ignition. Confirm. Enter the authorization code. Confirm. Configuring the system. Wait about 10 minutes. The immobilizer light is on when the new key inserted. It's normal. Turn off ignition and pull out the key. Confirm. Insert the to be programmed key and turn on ignition until the hazard lights twinkle. The hazard light is on. Configuring. The count of keys are 2. Program completed. Confirm. Let's test the key. Pull out the key. Listen carefully on sound. Lock. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. Lock. The remote control is normal. Try to start car with these keys. Insert the key. Turn on the ignition. Start the engine. The engine starts normal. The immobilizer light is off now. Pull out the new key. Try the original key if the key can start the car. OK. Start normally. K518 Pro program remote key for 2018 Chevrolet Cavalier successfully.